Do you have papers like homework, forms, or bills that you want to turn into a PDF? In this video, I'll show you how to scan any paper and save it as a PDF using the Systweak PDF editor. It's quick and simple. Open Systweak PDF editor and go to the OCR tab. Click on Scanner to PDF option. Now select your connected scanner from the list. Make sure your scanner is powered on and properly connected to your computer. You can customize scan settings such as color mode, black and white, grayscale, or color. Resolution 200 dpi is fine for standard documents, and paper size to match your document. If your scanner supports it, check Use ADF to scan multiple pages automatically. Enable Use Duplex to scan both sides of the pages. Acquire All Images will scan everything in the feeder. Acquire One Image lets you set the number of pages manually if you're scanning just a few. Recognize Text OCR allows you to search or copy text from scanned pages, super useful for editable PDFs. PDF-A compatible is great for archiving documents in a standardized format. Choose where to save your scanned PDF. Once everything looks good, click Scan. Your scanner will process the document, and Systweak PDF editor will automatically import the scanned image. The scanned document will now open as a new PDF. Here you can edit, rotate, annotate, or rearrange pages as per your need. And that's it. Your scanned document has been saved as a PDF using Systweak PDF editor. You can scan the QR code to download this tool. And for more such helpful tutorials, make sure to check the playlist. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.